In this video, we're going to learn how to add effects in Davinci Resolve. So we're going to be using the built-in effects by default in Davinci Resolve. We're not going to be exporting any customized effects. And yeah, let's go. So I have my clip again right here of this girl walking to the pool. And you want to go again to Effect Library and then open FX. And you're going to find all the effects available in Davinci Resolve by default. Okay. So let's click play. And then for any XY reason, I want to apply some blur here. I can just, apply cut to this part and then look for blur. Okay, let's try lens blur. Put it on top of the selected, of the wanted clip. And here we have it. Sorry guys. And here we have it. Now, if I select the clip, I can come over here to the inspector, go to Open FX, and you can of course adjust the blur size and everything related to the blur. So for example, let's see if I decrease the blur size. And the cool thing about these things is that it can be animated. So for example, I can click here and then drag this playhead here and then just increase the blur size. If I click play, hold on, it was rendering. Okay, you can see it's going. You can see it. It's still rendering, but you get the idea. And if you want to remove it, you can just check this thing over here or just delete it once and for all. Now, the one I'm looking for is pencil sketch. Yeah, here it is. I can again just grab it and put it here. You can see that the clip is now a sketch clip. Same thing, I can put it into a color sketch instead of black and white if I want to. I can adjust the stroke strength, the stroke length, the opacity down here. And of course, it can be animated as well using these keyframes. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want the blend all the way to 100%. Click here, and then here I'm going to put the blend back to 0. And let's click play. I think I'm going to use this part as a thumbnail, to drag more viewers. People will love to see that ass, dude. Gotta do it again, still rendering. I may come out as a creepy guy, guys, I'm sorry about that. I'm just speaking the truth. Facts of the truth while this thing is rendering. Okay guys, so you get the idea, okay? This is how you add effects to your clips, and you can animate them here inside the inspector. You can do it too in the color tab if you wish. Same thing, just open effects and apply them to this node. And yeah, that was pretty much all guys for this one. Thank you for watching.